This is so frustrating. This is harder than I thought.
Hi, Kathy. Hey, what's wrong?
I've been trying to write, but I feel stuck. I'm just staring at the page. I'm not sure what I want to say.
I think that happens to everyone sometimes. I heard about an online workshop being offered. It's free. It's cool and might help. The flyer says it's called Raising the Voltage of Our Voices. They have speakers, ideas, and activities.
Oh, yeah? Let me think about it. I wonder if I should sign up for that workshop. I wish I could know more about it.
Later that night,
Hey Kathy, my name is Grace. My friend Sharon and I also like to write poetry and tell stories. We're going to be at that online workshop, and it's not an all-day thing either.
Writing can be fun and hard sometimes, but I find inspiration all around me and inside of me. Things I care about. I see and read about things around me. There are things I want to say, and I think people need to hear.
I'll bet that there are issues you care strongly about.
Sure, I care about lots of things. How do I sign up?
Great! You can register over at www.chaparralpoets.org. It's on June 21st through 24th. There is a morning session from 10 to 12 noon. The poet Indigo Moore will be talking with you along with Grace and me. The afternoon is from 1 to 3, and Raven Cisco will be leading creative activities. We love to have you.
It's going to be great, and it'll be even better with you there.
Okay, I'm ready to sign up.